Welcome to JH. Her Bodhi serves as a supplement for menopause, crafted to alleviate issues such as hot flashes, nocturnal sweating, emotional shifts, and abdominal weight gain during this transition. This hormone-free formula includes key components like black cohosh, KSM, 66 ashwagandha, red clover, and soy isoflavones. Both red clover and black cohosh are frequently researched for their impact on menopausal discomfort, while the KSM 66 version of ashwagandha is recognized for its superior quality. Customer reviews are mixed. While many users mention better sleep, less bloating, and higher energy levels, others report no noticeable results or even side effects like thinning hair. Be aware that purchasing may automatically sign you up for a 28-day challenge subscription, which some buyers found confusing. Pricing starts at approximately $20 when opting for a subscription plan. Ultimately, while the product uses standard ingredients for relief, individual results and billing experiences vary, so it is wise to evaluate these details before starting.